But it's more fun to scoop out my enemies' entrails than to stab them.
Well, I don't know about a knife.
Guys, I'm filming a video here.
Like a drowsy. And
I mean, rainbow, sunshine, and kittens. Happy faces.
I don't know about a knife, but we got there's a Pokemon that's made of metal called Onyark.
Oh, yeah.
Edward's like
Bisharp has knife everything. Cider.
Edward's like
And then Scizor ends up being I always wanted to run a Scizor, but I was scared like
one thing about Scizor.
Yep. That's the reaction when you do that. Go and you walk it in. Run up the arm and shake it out.
I have it on video. I'm keeping it. At least he has those sleeves.
Yeah. They're a good thing. I wouldn't get it. Much better to use flaming nunchucks with those. I could make those out of leather. It looks badass. Fear not the fire, we control it.
And then we set it loose on a bunch of bushes. And then a tree. And then many trees.
Hey Doug, did you see the new spin I learned? What? Did you see the new spin I learned? I got it from a vine.
Did you see the one?
The new spin that I learned. No.